Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Dippy eggs. Achieving the perfect Dippy egg is all about timing and technique. We'll start by selecting fresh, large eggs, as their quality significantly impacts the final texture. You'll need a small saucepan, just big enough for your eggs to be completely covered by water. First, bring your water to a vigorous, rolling boil before gently introducing the eggs. Once your water is boiling, carefully lower your eggs into the pot with a spoon to prevent cracking. For that ideal Dippy egg, cook them for precisely 3 to 4 minutes. This timing ensures a perfectly runny yolk with a set, but still soft, white. If you prefer your yolk a little firmer or softer, you can adjust the cooking time by about 30 seconds either way. After cooking, it's crucial to immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process, preventing the yolk from becoming too firm. Let them sit in the ice bath for at least 1 minute. This step also makes them easier to handle. Once cooled, place your perfectly cooked Dippy eggs into an egg cup, ready to be enjoyed with your favorite toast soldiers. For consistently perfect Dippy eggs, always try to use eggs that are at room temperature. This helps prevent them from cracking when they hit the hot water and ensures more even cooking. A small pinch of salt added to the boiling water can also be helpful, as it encourages the egg white to coagulate quickly if a shell does crack. Serve your delicious Dippy eggs immediately with plenty of buttered toast, cut into convenient strips for dipping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.